Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're just going to be unboxing the pink parcel. Now then, I really wasn't very happy about pink parcel this month because they said promised me that it would be there for me on the 8th, which I usually start my monthlies about that time, my period, and it just wasn't there. So yeah, and now we're on the 16th and it's just come today, so they were like nearly about 8 days late. So I don't know what Pink Parcel was doing, but Pink Parcel is, you can either have the once box, which is £8 a month, or you can have all of it, which is £11 a month. And yeah, so let's hope that they've made up for whatever they're doing. I've noticed a few people has complained about Pink Parcel being late. Yeah, so I'm just having my cup of tea. So grab yourself a cup of tea because this could be a little bit of a good unboxing, hopefully. Right, so let's just get into it. It's the classic grey box that they've gone back to in the pink writing. They always used to have that when I used to unbox them. I got an offer for this and they offered it like £8 a month. Sorry, that's my dog's back and there's somebody going past probably. So yeah, it was like £8 I think they offered it for me, but it is £11 a month. Right, okay, so let's get into it. You know, when people email me, like, I get offers and so I just take them up. So, okay, I'm just checking to see if my mic was on. Oh, I see the Bonnie coloured purple box. That looks really nice. And, okay, so that is like, we got an Ups card in here now. Ups card, you never used to have them in. We're sorry to let you know we've run out of your selected product and we've swapped it for the best alternative. We'll have this fixed next month. Oh, crikeys. Oh. So that's what an Ups card is. If you get one of those in, it means that they've run out of an item. And so, okay, so let's just see what they have run out of. Right, so they're for you box. We will open that. Hopefully that is for later box. We'll start with that later. Right, so this has got my pads in there. I see. They haven't given me the nighttime ones. They've given me another brand that I wouldn't have normally used. Right, okay. And so we've got pads in here though, so these are pretty good. Also, these is like the, you know, the everyday pads, something like that. But I do like the bag. It's a gorgeous bag. So yeah, that's just nice and handy. Just put in your handbag and take the pads with you. Right, so at least we've got like a nighttime box one. So they're for the nighttime. And they're not the ones that I ordered, which was bodycon, but it doesn't really matter. They're pretty good. Right, all in all, this is the most important one for Pink Parcel. It is the For You box. So let's hope they are regained themselves. So now I'm just going to take a slip of my tea. Oh, also I got this mug in Lidl. It was 50p and it's the Make a Cake in a Mug. And I have charred tea. That is a charred tea one. You probably get a tea bag in here as well. So we got the floss. This is one of the items that they ran out and they emailed me about it saying that it was going to be late. So yeah, so this is the floss lip gloss and it comes in a tube like that. So we'll just try it on. Oh, it feels really nice actually. It is feeling really, really nice. I do like that. Pretty good. I like it. It's nice feeling. It makes your lips feel really nice, so it's pretty good. Right, okay, so we've got another lip balm. So this is the tan automaticals. The stick, it where the sun doesn't shine stick. SPF 30 protector. So yeah, it's another lip balm, which is just there. And so we have got Mud Masky, I think. No, it's Mud Masky hair mask. Scalp treatment miracle shampoo, 3-in-1. It's a pH balanced. It repairs hair, strengthens hair, moisturizes, and it's got dandruff control. Okay, so that's interesting to see what it will do for my hair. So I'm just going to open it. Tip it out like so. Alright, so it's like that. It's like a... smells like coconut. I can smell the coconut in there, so coconut's going to be really good for your hair. Looks good. And also we got a tea bag in here as well, which is what you always get. So this is not a tea, is it a tea bag? No, it's a coffee bag. Alright, okay, so you get the Lion's coffee bag this month. And we have got a brush, which is by, oh, I do like that design, that colour is pretty. And it's by Moonface. So it's like for when you're doing your highlighter. Oh, it feels really nice. I like that. Yeah, so there you go. When you're doing your highlighter, that is it. You need one of them brushes. And then we have got a, is this the Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Okay, so this one is by 417. I remember they did a hair treatment thing and it was absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. This is the Mud Mask. Yeah, it is. Right, okay, so let's just into it. So it looks like that. And is it? It's very white. Oh, it's very scented. I don't usually like a scented item, but we'll try it and see what I think of it. And we got chocolate. Look at that, looks really nice. So yeah, so you know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to dump that in my tea that I've already got made. Oh, and also these are nice as well. They didn't come in the box. These are what I bought from Aldi's and they're really nice. The fruit slices and they're just, I just dunk them in my tea and they're just gorgeous. Bye for now. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!